They locked his body, but never his soul. In the heart of South Africa, during the dark days of apartheid, a young man named Nelson Mandela stood tall against one of the most brutal systems of racial oppression the world had ever seen. He wasn't born a hero. He became one through pain, patience, and an unshakable dream of freedom. In 1962, Mandela was imprisoned for daring to demand equality. 27 long years behind cold steel and stone walls. But prison didn't break him. It built him. While others would have grown bitter, Mandela grew wiser. He learned the power of forgiveness, not as a weakness, but as the ultimate weapon against hate. When the world saw him walk free in 1990, it wasn't just a man stepping out of prison, it was hope stepping into history. And when he became South Africa's first black president in 1994, he didn't seek revenge, he sought reconciliation. He turned enemies into partners and pain into purpose. Mandela's leadership style was simple: lead with love, serve with humility, and fight with dignity. He didn't divide people. He reminded them they belong to one nation, one destiny. He believed that courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Lessons for African leaders. Power is not for revenge, it's for rebuilding. Leadership is about service, not status. Forgiveness heals nations faster than hatred ever could. The true victory isn't in winning elections, but in winning hearts. Nelson Mandela taught us that freedom has a price: patience, pain, and perseverance. To every African leader watching this, remember, your legacy is not built in your years of power. It's built in how many lives you lived while you have it. He entered prison a revolutionary, but left as a symbol of peace.